you're a beginner YouTuber using ChatGPT the wrong way, you're wasting time. Most people type things like, "Give me 10 video ideas," and then wonder why their content feels generic. So in this video, I'll give you 10 ChatGPT prompts every beginner YouTuber should copy and use immediately. Let's start. Prompt number 1. This forces AI to think about searchability, not just random ideas, because getting views starts with being discoverable. Prompt number 2. Same topic, better angle. That's how small channels compete. You don't need a completely original idea. You need a stronger perspective. Prompt number 3. Stop asking for essays. Ask for structure. A good script isn't about sounding smart. It's about keeping people watching. Prompt number 4. Your first 20 seconds matter more than the rest of the video. If the hook fails, nothing else matters. This prompt helps AI create stronger openings that build curiosity. Prompt number 5. Packaging matters more than information. A great video with bad packaging gets ignored. This prompt helps AI improve the title before you ever hit publish. Prompt number 6. Keep thumbnail text short and never repeat the title. Your thumbnail and title should work together, not compete with each other. Prompt number 7. This helps with discoverability over time, because YouTube isn't just about today's views, it's about building traffic that compounds. Prompt number 8. Small channels should target narrow keywords, not broad ones. It's much easier to rank for a specific search term, than compete with massive creators. Prompt number 9. Engagement increases distribution. The more viewers interact, the more YouTube learns who to show your content to. Prompt number 10. One video should create multiple pieces of content. A long-form video can become shorts, posts, emails, and future videos. That's how smart creators get more from every upload. If you want all of these prompts structured properly, plus 300 plus more prompts organized by retention, CTR, hooks, thumbnails, and channel growth, the full prompt pack is linked below. Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab if you're serious about building with AI. And remember, AI doesn't replace strategy. It accelerates it. See you in the next video.